Barely 5 months after assuming office of the Supreme Mufti of Uganda, Sheikh Muhammad Kadhi Galabuzi has embarked on massive mobilization of the Muslim community against hunger, poverty, illiteracy and poor health.
The Muslims of northern Uganda have for long been left behind. I want to assure you all that office of the Super Mufti administration is committed to change all that. And before this year ends, inshallah, we will see the first deputy Supreme Mufti coming from this region, inshallah.
Supreme Mufti Galabuzi spearheaded a team of Muslim leaders on a mobilization tour of WESTNILE region where he presided over the installation ceremony of Yumbe district Kadhi Bombasa Rasul AYUBU and his executive.
الصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين
والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين
سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد أنا رسول أيوب بومباسا عينت قاضيا لمحافظة يومبي.
He said it's a normal obligation of his leadership to seek government to support the community to overcome the challenges of socio-economic development.
Additionally, northern Uganda is going to benefit from one of our 5 Salam centers projects, which will be centers of learning, peace, building, rehabilitation of Muslims struggling to return to normal livelihoods, as well as scaling centers for vulnerable members of society, both Muslims and non-Muslims.
The Supreme Mufti commended the Yumbe and West Nile Muslim community as a whole for the overwhelming and lovely welcome they exhibited by turning up in big numbers to witness the installation of the Yumbe district Kadhi. He called upon all Supreme Kadhis to strongly defend the Muslim land and property in their area.
I call upon the newly installed Supreme Kadhi and all Supreme Kadhis of the office of the Supreme Mufti to work very hard to build and add on the Awqaf projects of each district, as well as to strongly defend the Muslim land and properties in your area of responsibility.
Installed Yumbe district Kadhi Bombasa Rasul AYUBU pledged total commitment of serving the Muslims with fairness, loyalty and faithfulness.
I have taken the district Supreme Court oath of office and I have sworn faithfully and impartially to serve Allah and the office of the Supreme Mufti of the Republic of Uganda. This oath reflects our Islamic history, traditions and constitutional arrangements of office of the Supreme Mufti. The District Supreme Court oath is also about the people of the realm of Yumbe and West Nile. In other words, the people of Yumbe have sworn to serve their people faithfully and impartially, and I will be steadfast, loyal, and fair, and I undertake the functions of the office of the Supreme Court. Now that I have ascended office, but I'm not the best among you. When you see me wrong, put me right. When you see me right, strengthen me. Islam is bigger than every one of us here. Office of the Supreme Mufti Yumbe today dreams are the dreams of the robe of man. It is not just an individual dream. They are also the dreams of our other Muslims. And the answer to what may yet to be seen surely lies in the quality of the ideas that have been woven into the robe. They are in the hope, the optimism, the leadership and integrity of a young generation who should not be constrained by ethnicity, tribe, and location, but instead be energized by them.
He observed that the over 10,000 refugee Muslims in the base camps have a challenge of access to basic social services. The Supreme Kadhi had no kind word to the Sub-County Internal Security Office in Yumbe, whom he accused of not being cooperative with his office. As Muslim communities continue to report social discrimination and marginalization, the leadership of Supreme Mufti Galabuzi is mobilizing communities with the aim of strengthening and expanding relationships and partnership with governments and other stakeholders by initiating socio-economic programs that will improve the social welfare of communities at the grassroots.
There will be a health facility, recreation and social center, hostels, a mosque, and Supreme Kadhi residence. These Salam centers are expected to be completed within a period of 5 years, within the first coming into operation by January 2024. Inshallah.